from the Simple Apps. Today we're going to learn how to install the PyAudio to your computer. So I just reset up my computer and I was having trouble with installing the PyAudio. So let's go to this website first. It's called ifd.uici.edu. I will give this link in the description. So first, you guys need to know which Python you have. So to learn this, I will go to my files, this PC, and here I'm using the Python 3.8.5. So when I installed it, I will show you here. Where is it? Okay, here. I can show it here. It was at 32 bits, right? So since I'm going to use it, I need to find 3.8, the 3.8, Win32, not the Win AMD64. When you try this, let's try it. When you try this one, let's go to CD desktop. Oh, sorry, CD downloads and pip install the PyAudio. Yes, this one. When you try this, you will get an error message. It will say PyAudio blah 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 blah. WHL is not a supported will on this platform. So you have to try other one. So instead of this one, you should try PyAudio, the 32 one. When you try it, it will install all the required files to your computer, and after that you're good to go. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Peace out.